This nigga, this nigga went to jail on something that he didn't even remember he did. How the hell you go to jail for something you don't even know you did or remember you did? You feel me? That's worse than being on bars. That's worse than waking up on bars and being like, hold on, what in the world did I do? Right? So now the grass ain't always greener on the other side. You can look at Bill Cosby and say, man, he had a wonderful life. Oh my goodness. Wow. Right? But what about your life? What about who you are? Are you grateful? Do you have gratitude for the being that you are on this earth realm? Or are you looking at somebody else, right? And comparing yourself to your being.
Message.
Listen, I ain't gonna make it up. You are not focused on you. You are not in love with you, because at the end of the day, if you was, you would not give a goddamn up, right, about these people outside of you. But for some reason, yeah, and I'm talking to you, trust me, for some reason you are. For some reason you're engulfed in the celebrity of this thing. You are not focused on you. You can't help it. Yeah, I'm talking to you that's focused on your college friend. Focus on that high school friend that you still looking at their Facebook page and shit. Yeah. You still worried about your damn middle school friend that beat you up in goddamn 6th grade.
Toasty.
Hey, I ain't gonna make it up. You need to let that go, right? The thing about gratitude and the power in gratitude, which is what this whole thing is about the power of now. Can you focus your attention on the now? Can you power your being on this now principle, right? Or are you worried about the past and still dwelling on what the future is going to bring? Hello? Hello? When you're in this gratitude state, when you're in this power of now state, right? Guess what's going to happen? You're in this flow state. And this flow state is everything. This flow state is love. This flow state is magic. Listen, me and the Queen was chilling. We looked up. We said, "Hey, we don't got nothing happening right now, right? We don't have no clients until later, right? Until 5. I think D-Ray had a client at 5, right? Said, nigga, let's go bowling. Uh-oh. We said, let's go bowling. And guess what? Yes, babe, I won the bet. So guess what? I need that tonight.
Gotcha, bitch.
Hey, I ain't gonna make it up. I'm telling you what it is. I need that. Let's get real. We bet. So, yeah, you know what time it is. I can't wait until you comment in this chat, because at the end of the day, I dare you to lie. But nah, we went with the family. We called some of our family up, you know what I'm saying? I said, hey, look, let's do this. You know, what's up? Come on, let's kick it. Da 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 da. Oh, wow. Wow. She said, yep, he won one and I won one. You see that? Damn. Wow. Wow. People lying. Ooh, okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so all right, well, whatever. Look, I won the first one, right? But then she won the second one. But listen, you gotta understand, she won the second one because you know how the bowling thing fucks up? You know how the pins don't come down, right? I lost a whole lane. So I told her, hey, look, we have to really, we have to count this in. So now you tell me if I lost the second game, right? If I lost the second game by, I think it was 4, but I honestly want to say 3, but I know how she's going to be. So I think it was 4, right? If I lost the second game by 4, then how many? So you see what I'm saying? No, nigga, I lost the whole fucking lane. I lost, see? That's alright, whatever. It's cool. We're going to talk about it right when I get off of this dreaming night. But look, man, hey, I can't make it up. This is what it is. We went on a humbug. We say, you know what, let's go enjoy ourselves because, it's raining in Houston. So we ain't been able to get outside and just really enjoy each other's company, right? Outside in the sun with that vitamin D. So we said, let's do something else. Let's go bowling, right? Because me and D Ray, we're competitors. We want to compete and have fun and laugh and see who wins, right? And bet on stuff that people want to take back and shit.
Toasty!
That people want to say you tied up and shit with.
Toasty!
Nigga, please. Ha! Say, I can't make it up. That thing, okay. So now, well, let's think about it like this. So she has 10 chances. I have 9 chances, right? So obviously, and now look at this. Oh, wait a minute. So now look. We went on a humbug to the bowling alley, right? Now, guess what happens? I got on my Crocs, right? With socks. She don't have on no socks. I swear to God, the bowling alley doesn't have no socks. So I'm like, oh, you cheating. So, being the gentleman that I am, I'm like, all right, babe, you can take my socks. You pregnant and stuff. You feel me? I'm like, okay, whatever. Take my socks. Cool. So I'm bowling in Crocs. Damn, I should have took the picture of the score. But I put it on my Instagram, man, us bowling. So y'all go check that out. So I'm literally in my Crocs, right? I'm in my Crocs bowling. And I ain't gonna lie, my back started hurting on that second game. So now I don't give a fuck what you talking about, babe. Well, shit, never mind. I was gonna say you might be pregnant, but shit, them Crocs, I don't know what to tell you. Shit, them hoes had my back hurting, man. God damn. But look, this is what we did. So we just said, okay, let's do something because why? Because we're in the now, we're in the space, we're in the time of saying, okay, let's cherish the moment, right? This is what gratitude is all about. This is what, love is all about. This is what moving in a space of, this flow thing is all about because we were flowing, what I'm saying? We was building, talking about some different things. And we said, you know what, let's just go bowling, man, since we can't really get outside like that. And this is a space where we can laugh, where we can smile, where we can have some fun, you know what I'm saying? And just where we can just be in this childlike spirit, right? In the now. Because that's all a child is. they're in the now, right? Whatever you give to them, whatever you put in front of them, they're curious, they're observant, they're ready to understand, right? They're not sitting there thinking and lollygagging on the past and worried about or dwelling on the future, right? They're in the now, and then they're in that space of just saying, okay, this is what it is. Hey, and I'm going to just enjoy this space right here, right now. So now listen, when you're in this now space, when you're in this flow state, right? This now, power of now, it puts you in this flow state, which then you start to get channels from what? The other side. Uh-oh. And these channels or this communication that's coming to you is going to push you to understand whatever been worried or dwelling on your mind. Hey, I can't make it up. I'm just telling you what it is. Listen, you have something unconsciously or consciously on your mind, right? So now it's up to you to understand the message that's being communicated to you or channeled to you, right, on a daily basis. But the problem is you're worried about the job. You're worried about the future. You're worried about the past, right? And you're not engulfing yourself in the now. You're not in alignment with where you're at right here, right now, right? Why do you think they call it the present? Because it's always gifting you if you're ready to receive.
Message.
But you have to be ready. You have to be willing to take your mind out of the past and worrying about something that happened 6-7 years ago, right? Or worrying about that person that cut you off last week, or worrying about, this chick that, got over on you or whatever, right? You have to take yourself out of that completely, right? And even out of the future, you got to take yourself out of, worrying about how you're going to get your next, 1,000, or how you're going to get, or is your job going to fire you, or da 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 da. You have to take yourself completely out of all of that. Trust in spirit, right? And know that spirit is going to give you everything you need if you let go and let God.
Message.
So hey, this ain't no joke. This is real science. And this is how you manipulate your matrix. Because tomorrow, listen, oh my God, I'm going to show you the science on all of this tomorrow, because y'all are going to be like, damn, okay, well, it's just like that. So y'all want to stay tuned tomorrow for that, because it